Welcome back. Let's make another simple DIY swag. You're only going to need a few items. That includes picks, zip ties, ribbon, a pair of scissors, and a way to hang your swags. I picked up these picks from Walmart, and the ribbon I believe came from Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99. I'm going to take off all the tags. I'm also going to remove the pine cones because I really didn't like them, although you could leave them if that's what you prefer. So after removing the pine cones, I'm going to lay these in opposite direction. I'm going to position them to where I want them to be. And then once I get that set on what I'm happy with, I'm going to grab my zip tie. I'm going to secure it. The color of the zip tie does not matter. This is going to be hidden. But once I like it, I'm going to make sure that it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to do this to all three sets. And again, you could embellish these as much as you want. I wanted a very simplistic design. I didn't want something with a lot of ornaments or detail. I just wanted some greenery and a ribbon. So I'm going to take my ribbon, and unfortunately I did not video how I made the bow, but I am using the table to help with the length. So I'm right now getting the length of my tails, and I'm also going to use the table to help with the length of my loops on my ribbon. So here they are, all complete, and I added my ribbons to the center of the swags and just secured them over top of the windows. I think these look very pretty. Thanks for watching.